Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important question from Module 1, Digital Logic Gates. So our question is, minimize the following Boolean function f of a, b, c, d, given here min terms are 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 15 and the don't care values are 0, 2 and 14. So how we will solve this? We will solve this by using Kmap. So here total 4 variables given here. So 2 to the power 4 means 16 boxes. It means that 4 into 4 boxes we have to draw in the Kmap. So I am making a square box. I am dividing this from the middle part. Then again like this. From the middle, this is the easiest way of making the boxes of 4 into 4. So we will write here AB and CD. At MSB we will write AB and LSB we will write CD. Now the combinations 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 and 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 same, and the values 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. I have already explained this Kmap in the introduction video. You can check out from playlist. So here the min terms given 1 3 4 6 8 9 11 13 and 15. So I will write firstly this one 1 3 4 6 8 9 11 13 and 15. And here one more condition given, the don't care values 0 to 14. 0, 2 and 14. These don't care values we only use when we have to need for making the maximum number of groups. Means if by using this don't care value we can make the group of 4, so we will use this, otherwise we will not use. We have to don't care, that's why this is known as don't care values. So rest 5 7 12 and 10 it is not given, so we do not have to write anything, or else we can write 0, so we leave here. So now we have to make the groups. Our step 1 is completed. Now we have to make the possible number of groups. We can make either 16 8 4 2 or 1 group. Firstly we will see for 16. 16 is not possible. For 8 it is also not possible, but for 4 it is possible. So here from we directly see that these 4 elements we can make group, so we can name this first group. Now another 4 number of groups we can make, we can make by using this don't care value, these two and these two. If we fold this paper, this will become like these 4 groups, so we can name this second group. Now any other group, yes, we can make this by using these two and these two group. We can make number of 4 groups, this name as third, and at the last which are missing, this one. So we can also make this as a 4 elements group. So by using 2 and this don't care value and this one, so we name this fourth group. Then we have to check if any element is missing or not. So we have covered all the elements of minterms here. Now we will minimize it group by group. So f of a comma b comma c comma d we can write as minimize first plus second plus third plus fourth. So now for the first I am minimizing this. So the first group, the row wise it is covering 1 1 and 1 0, so we will check here. So the values which are changing, we don't have to take that one, we have to take the constant values, means 1 to 1 it is same for a, so we will write a, not a bar, because it is 1. If here it will be 0 to 0, then we have to take a bar. So for a I have taken. Now we will see for CD. So at CD for first group it is covering 0 1 and 1 1. So 0 to 1 C is changing, but D is not changing. D to D means 1 to 1. So we will write, this is our first minimized group. Now we will see for second, third and fourth like this. For second it is covering here 0 0 0 1. So we have to take a bar because 0. Now for this one CD it is 0 0 and 1 0. This much is covering. So 0 to 1 C is changing but D is not changing, D to D, so D bar. Now for the third one we will see like this. At the third group, for the row wise 0 0 and 1 0, it is changing for 0 to 1, means for A, but we have to take for B because it is 0 to 0, so B bar. And now we will check the same for this one CD. So 0 1 and 1 1, it is covering here to here, so 0 to 1 it is changing for C, but for D it is 1 to 1, so we simply write D. Now we will check for the last group, which is fourth one. In this, AB is covering from 0 0 and 1 1, so we will check up to this two. So 0 to 1 A is changing but B is not changing, 0 to 0, so we will write for fourth minimized like B bar. And then from here CD we have to check at 0 0 and 0 1, so 0 to 0 it is same, and for D it is changing, so for C it is C bar. So this is the minimized group of every first, second, third and fourth group. So now directly we will write this minimized Boolean expression is f of A, B, C, D is equals to, first group is AD plus A bar D bar plus B bar D plus B bar C bar. So this is how you have to use the don't care values for making the maximum number of elements as in one group, and then you have to minimize this Boolean expression by using Kmap. So like this you have to draw. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all. And if you want these notes, I have uploaded these notes at my Telegram channel. You can join, link is in the description. Thank you.